Metal. Imported. Lockable dual carabiner. This S-shaped stainless steel carabiner has two gates with sliders to lock them in place, so you can securely clip valuables like keys to one side, then clip the other side to your backpack, belt loop, or pocket. High-quality stainless steel, solid, durable stainless steel construction and stainless steel gates with plastic slide locks make these S-biners ultra-strong. Individually weight-rated. Size number 2 to 10 pounds, size number 3 to 25 pounds, size number 4 to 75 pounds. Keep keys secure. Upgrade your beat-up, bulky old carabiner keychain for a slim line, locking stainless steel S-biner. Clip keys to one side, then the other side is free to clip on and off your bag or pocket without disturbing your keys. Gates lock independently for ultimate versatile keychain. Each slider can be locked and unlocked independently of the other, so you can keep your keys secured on one side, and leave the other unlocked for quick clipping and unclipping. Warning: not for use where disengagement could result in bodily injury or property damage. Not for climbing. Top reviews from the United States. Good for whatever. A locking double-sided carabiner. Perfect for securing keys inside my beautiful big designer bag. Guaranteed to hold my hanging Bose speaker from the side of my vacation golf cart touring Isla Mujeres. Hold any double zipper, like on luggage, together and closed. I ordered 3 sizes, each feather light with corresponding weight capacities. I walk around looking for stuff I can use this hook on. I love that the tiny little lock feature will never let go jack, it will never let go.